Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the base BABOON token. Ticker symbol is BOON. We're going to go over the information on this token, and we're going to see if there's any security warnings in their audit, see if the contract is safe or not, if there's any security risks that you should be aware of before getting this token. You want to make sure that there's no risk of getting scammed. So we're going to go over the information on the base BABOON token and their audit and all that stuff in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this is a project that already has $3.4 million market cap. Today they're up 25.85% in the past 24 hours. Token price is around 5.9 cents per token. And it says here that they have $243,000 in liquidity on SUSHISWAP. And they have 1,580 holders. Actually, according to BASECHAIN, it says they have 1,676 holders, so a little bit more than that. Their webpage is basebaboon.com, 18 decimal places on this token. And there's a total supply of a little bit over 415,678,581,139 tokens. So what is this project all about? It says, welcome to the future of meme coins with BABOON, ticker symbol BOON, a pioneering digital asset on the base layer 2 Ethereum network. BABOON, ticker symbol BOON, combines humor, community, and cutting-edge blockchain technology to offer a unique investment opportunity inspired by the legendary creativity of GK and Vicky Hart. BABOON aims to capture the spirit of innovation and the power of community. Our mission is bold: to become the first base meme coin to achieve a $1 billion market cap, creating unparalleled value for our community. Through strategic tokenomics, continuous development, and a robust marketing strategy, we're not just launching a coin, we're creating a legacy. So the tokenomics here, it says total supply is 420,690,000,000 tokens. So that's how it started here. And then it's deflationary, so that's why it's a different number when you look at their base scan. It says distribution 5% to developers, 5% marketing, with a 10% initial burn. Some of their features are deflationary mechanism, 3% marketing tax, 1% auto liquidity generation on each transaction. It says technological framework built on the base layer 2 network. BABOON offers fast, low-cost transactions, making it accessible for global adoption and utilization in a wide array of digital economies. So their promotion and awareness strategy, a multifaceted approach targeting social media influencers across TikTok, Twitter, and YouTube, complemented by strategic listings on CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, and leading centralized exchanges. Our community is at the heart of the BABOON token. We're committed to building a vibrant, engaged, and active community across various platforms, and here's how. So Telegram, they're going to have engagement with regular AMAs, contests, and giveaways to keep the community engaged and informed. Support 24/7 community support to assist with inquiries and provide a welcoming environment for all members. They have TikTok and Instagram, so collaborations with influencers to create viral content that promotes the BABOON token. Twitter daily updates, interactive posts, and hashtag campaigns to trend with crypto circles. Partnerships with content creators. So what makes BABOON different than other meme coins? It says it's deflationary, and then the marketing auto liquidity feature. And then, yeah, so basically, that's, I mean, it goes over some more frequently asked questions, but that's basically it for the info on this token. Now, you can go to their webpage and find more, basebaboon.com, if you want to learn more. There's also links to Uniswap, SUSHISWAP, all that type of stuff over there. So let's go through the security now on this token. So first of all, they don't have a full audit that I could find on their webpage. On their webpage, it just has socials, BOON paper, exchanges, documentation. Their documentation isn't even available yet. They have news articles. They have how to buy. The very bottom of their page, they have bridge base, import base, tokenomics, how to buy, smart contract, all this type of stuff. Base, docs, bridge, about. Nothing that says audit or KYC. They have a contact email, but that's about it. Now, if you go to their DEX tools chart here, it says they have a DEX score of 71 out of 99. They have a community trust score of 100%, and that's out of 7 votes. And then if you click on their audits, they have a quick intel, token sniffer, and Go Plus security audit. And if you scroll through, it says here, contract is verified, no honeypot. There is a 5% buy and sell tax. So just be aware of that. You are going to have to set slippage because of that tax. No proxy contract, no mintable tokens, tax is not modifiable. The only warning I can see on here is a conflicting warning, and I'm going to put it up right here. So, but quick intel security says no external call risk, but for some reason Go Plus security says yes, there is. So that is the only warning I could see, and that is just on their quick audits. They should get a full audit to be more secure, so people can, really have a deep dive on their audit here and understand the full audit. But according to these quick audits, there's just that one conflicting warning. So it's tough to say whether this token is potentially a scam risk or not, because that audit is conflicting and it's only one warning on there. So for now, I can't see anything extremely sketchy about this token, but they should come out with an audit and a KYC, docs the team, all that type of stuff before anybody, fully endorses this token or anything like that, because, you never know unless there's a full audit and you can fully review all of it. So let me know in the comments, what do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.